My name is Estela Ortega. I'm the Executive Director of El Centro de la Raza, and today we are at the El Centro skate ring in Federal Way.
We are excited to have a ribbon cutting for solar panels. As the community is growing, we know that we have to take our environmental impact seriously. And I'm so glad that El Centro is leading on this effort in our community.
Washington State has some of the most ambitious clean energy targets. And projects like this help us meet those targets while also helping us equitably share the benefits of the clean energy transition among these amazing organizations that are helping their communities.
This is a beloved place, and it was important that we keep it in the community, doing what it's been doing for generations, is keeping families together and giving them sense of entertainment.
So people came skating here as kids, and some still skating as adults. And so if we can save some cost, that means that we don't have to raise the ticket prices, the food prices, because we're making it work.
Centro de la Raza gets the benefit of clean energy for their community, which offsets their operating costs so they can focus on providing the great services that they provide.